Hey, Cam Roberts here, Bubblegum Marketing CEO and founder. And on this video, we're going to walk through a before and after. So before Bubblegum, then after it's been bubblegummed, right? A before and after of a website project that we've been working on. And we're very proud of this project. We've done a fantastic job. And we're actually doing two versions of this before and after. We're doing a desktop version and a mobile version, because when we build websites with this sort of quality, we end up building two sites. We build a desktop site, and then once the client approves the desktop site, we have everything that they like about the desktop version. Then what we do is we create in the background a mobile version, right? So it's not even a website that's mobile responsive. There's a lot of elements on a page that need to be designed and developed in an entirely different way because of the way mobiles work, right? It's got to load fast, it's a different sizing, so videos are different sizes and so forth. So we do a lot of work around creating a mobile-friendly site. And so what happens is that a client ends up with two versions of a website, all on the same website and the same platform, but we hide versions for mobile and show versions for desktop and so forth. So what the client ends up with in the finished product or the finished project is literally two versions. They end up with a desktop version and a mobile version. And what we're going to look at now is we're going to look at the before and after on a mobile, okay? So this is the company, SmartPlate. They're a great product. They're a food tracking product that helps people lose weight, helps them track their food. Very smart technology, really innovative, and it's a great product to be associated with. It's been on Shark Tank in America, so we're very proud of the association, and we're very honored to have had worked with the SmartPlate company. And so this is their before mobile site before. So we just have a look. We can see here, look, not a bad design. It's pretty good. We can see some of the elements, and the way it's displayed looks a little bit cheap. So they came to us and wanted to really improve their branding and their styling. So look, there's not a lot wrong with this mobile site, but we can see that, it does look a little bit dated, and everything there is, not as clean and branded as well as what we would prefer. And you can see here they've got some nice little things going in the background with some phone images and that sort of thing. So this is their home page of their existing site, right? So we're just going to have a look at this on the home page, and you can see this here tells people what the SmartPlate does, how to manage calories, that it scans. You can get an app to use on your phone, save goodbye to manually logging everything, all this sort of stuff. So it's really good. And you can join SmartPlate from here, and testimonies and that sort of stuff. So, and we can see here when we get down to the footer, notice the footer, that's the footer there. So it's quite a big area of a footer for mobile. We can see it took me 4 or 5 scrolls just to get through to the footer. And then obviously when you go to join SmartPlate, it takes you to the, the order form page where you can join the SmartPlate, everything you get. You got to click again to join again. So then you've got to click again to join again, right? You pick which one you want. So there's a lot of clicking to kind of get to the finish line. And you can see some of the pages load a little bit slow. They take a little while to redirect, and away you go, right? And there's your page that you order. So look, that's the before. So let me just backtrack a little bit. And so this is the page. This is the before. And then we can see here, this is some of the page about why it works and so forth. So we can see here, there's 2 images there that kind of, haven't been mobile optimized because they shouldn't be together like that. It's usually writing in between there, but you can see the buttons, even the way the buttons are designed, it shouldn't be like that on a mobile. So that's why we build 2 versions of the site, right? So again, that's the before. So now we've seen the before, let's have a look at the after. So, and here's the after. And so this is the new site with the new videos in the background, nice clean buttons. You can see straight away it's just branded really nicely. Top menu up here on the top right. And you can see that it's got some transparency there, so you can still see what's going on in the background. So this is the new home page. You'll notice in the new home page that each section, slides nicely, fills up nicely in the screen. Nice images, and we can see there that's really good. So, there's another nice section there. So we can see we've got the headline, the subhead, and the actual image of the 3D rendering of the product all in one section there on the screen, which is great, which is what we love. And again, just some really nice, clean branding and really good design elements on this new site. So it's something that we're really proud of. You can see here that the buttons also stick out. So we've gone with a red and white button to make sure it really pops on the branding and the colors of the SmartPlate's website. So this is the mobile version, the new version after Bubblegum. So Bubblegum have designed this from scratch. So we've designed it and then we've developed it. So we've had a designer and a web developer work on this together. And so we've, as part of our team, we have designers and developers on team. So a really nice design here. You can see here we've got a little video that can be played right there on your smartphone, and it just shows you, what the SmartPlate does. And the reason we have we don't have an auto playing version on the mobile site because of the loading speed. We want this site to load really fast, so we don't have auto play on that. So we got some nice little graphics there. Talks about the accuracy, how to get SmartPlate scientifically proven, all of that. And then we just scroll down to the bottom. Nice sections here. It's good social proof. And then down here we've got testimonials from customers. Download the free app. And then we've got the footer area. So really nice, clean footer. Notice the footer now is just the one scroll and a little bit, whereas the other footer was like 3 or 4 scrolls. So it's quite a long scroll for a footer. And if we go to get SmartPlate, it then goes to the SmartPlate membership site. Again, branded really well with the various options of what they get and so forth, okay? All in one SmartPlate. So if we go back up to the top, we can see that the food tracker page is also same sort of thing. Nice branded, really nice layout. And you can see huge difference between the two pages. So if we just go back to this page, there's the old page. So if we look at the How It Works page, right? So this is the old page of the food tracker version versus the new page. So I'll show you once more. This is the old version. You can see this, right? So again, not a bad design, right? But you can see the new version is much more professional and really well branded. So we can see this through here. Really nice design, nice colors, nice fonts, and really mobile friendly, which is really important. And again, we go get SmartPlate now, and then it goes to the order form and away they go. Okay, so that's it. Look, it's been a very rewarding project to be a part of. As I said, we're very proud to have worked with SmartPlate, the company, on this project, and we're very happy. And we know the client is also very happy with the finished product. So if you're thinking about a website design, sales funnel design, or any sort of online design with your pages, your website, your sales funnels, we can help you build a high quality branded website, sales funnel, or whatever it is that you need to do. Contact Bubblegum Marketing and let's see how we can help your brand also position better in the marketplace.